I just got a new palette from Sephora called True Naked and started out with the color Violet. I applied the color all over the areas I would contour my face. I then went in with the purple color and applied it all over the violet to enhance the color. Next, I went in with Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the shade French Vanilla and really applied a good amount all over my contour. I just recently went to the store and bought some cheap mermaid stickers that actually worked really well. I placed the sticker on my face and went over it with the dark blue color from the True Naked palette. You can also add as many mermaid scales as you'd like. I just applied them all over my contour. I then went back in with Kylie's highlighter and really highlighted my nose and added some purple on the sides of my nose. For my eyes, I went in with Kylie Cosmetics Royal Peach palette. Yes, Kylie's makeup is my favorite, but I took the color Seashell and set it as a base color. Next, I took Cinnamon and placed it on the crease of my eyes. To finish my eyes, I took the shade Royal and used an eyebrow brush to create a wing and brought the color down to my lower lash line as well. I then went in with a product from Gypsy Shrine and placed the pieces below my eyes and in between my eyebrows. Let's be honest, I am not good at applying fake lashes, but I used Spooky Lashes in pixie dust and placed them on off camera because it took too long and it was a mess. Now for the gory part of this tutorial, I went in with some cotton and created a large mouth. It took me 3 tries to create this mouth, so don't get frustrated if you can't do it the first time. The trick is to use a small amount of cotton and build from there. I then went in with Ben Nye's grease paint in the shade Fresh Cut and began filling in my mouth. Next, I went back in with small strips of cotton and dabbed it in a small amount of liquid latex before applying it to the mouth. This step is the most time consuming, but you want to make sure everything looks clean. After that, I took a small amount of cotton and covered the outer part of my mouth again. Finally, I took my current foundation and covered all of the cotton so it looked more skin-like and realistic. I then used Ben Nye's Fresh Scab Blood and applied it in between the gaps of my mouth. I also did this with Ben Nye's Thick Blood, but used a lot more of the thick blood. Finally, I used Ben Nye's stage blood and applied it all over my mouth with a stippling sponge and created multiple drips. For a final touch, I also put my hair down and watered it down with water to make it look like I had just gotten out of the water. And there you have it, a beautifully dead mermaid. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.